Grip puppies. What are they? They're a little foam hand grip for your motorcycle. Relatively cheap. Way to give you some more comfort without changing out all your hand grips. There's a couple different ones. The regular ones. For the regular bikes. You know how skinny they are? Alright. And then you got the big paw ones. For the bigger handlebars. I think they're over an inch. You know. For bikes that have, what do you call it? Heated grips. They're a little thicker, right? I have grip puppies right here on my bike right now. I have the originals, all right? But I do have heated grips. So when I put these on, when I originally bought the bike, it was quite a bit of a pain to get these on. I didn't know at the time that they made the bigger ones, the big paws. But anyway, I got these on, all right? They've been on since I bought the bike. This is a 21, so, you know, it's time to change them out. Why would you want grip puppies? You know, they give you a little bit of relief from vibrations. Make it a little bit more comfortable, all right? A little soft and squishy, you know. Like a lot of bikes, the grips are a little bit, you know, skinny, and I like a fatter grip. I didn't want to change out my grips because I got heated grips on here. I didn't want to, you know, do anything to them, you know. So I put on the grip puppies, and I actually like them. Nice and soft, you know, and more comfortable for me, okay? And yes, if you do have heated grips, the heat does go through them. It takes a little bit longer, but they do work, okay? So like I said, I've had these on there for a while. Eventually they break down because they're foam. They also get filled up with your, you know, your hand sweat and goop, so they do get a little bit grimy looking. So these, you know, it's time to change them. I'll leave the links to both of these, depending on what bike you get, you know, what size you need. And yeah, the links will be in the description. And they will be affiliate links, so if you do purchase these with my links, I will receive a small commission. No additional charge to you. Same price. Let's try to get these cut off, and I'll show you how to put these on. All right, so I'm just gonna cut this off here. Got a pair of scissors. There, ain't that hard, just, I just put a little nip in it, and it just kinda, there we go, came right off. Okay, I just got a little bit of soapy water here. I'm just gonna wash this down, clean off all the oil or anything on here. Okay, big paw. All right, when they originally looked like that, you know, nice and foamy. Okay. All right. So what they say is you can just spray some soapy water in here, you know. I'm just gonna, all right. And then you just slide them right on. Look at that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Almost. Whew. They are a little hard. So just keep spraying it down. You don't have to worry about the soapy water. It'll dry eventually. This is harder than you think. And these are the bigger ones. Matt, I don't remember. It's been 4 years ago when I put the original ones on, and they're the regular ones. Almost. There. There. There, they're on. Whew. Whew. That one's on. There. What do you think? All right, nice and soft. And since it's soapy water, you don't have to worry about it. Just let it dry. There. Nice grip. I like it. All right, I'll get the next one on. All right. Got them on. Nice. I like them. All right. A lot easier than putting on the originals. So, when you got your over on your controls, like on the Harley Davidson, of course, we have our heated grip control on the side. So just make sure when you do this side that you have it slid over so you could still maneuver, turn your heated grips on and stuff. Okay. But yeah, brand new grip puppies, big paws, because I have the heated grips. Links will be in the description below, like I said, for these ones and for the originals, depending on what bike you know, what size you're gonna need. Relatively cheap way. I use these because, you know, I didn't want to change out, you know, because I had heated grips. If I had another bike, I might, you know, my old bike I put on leather, fatter grips. You know, cost me a little bit. These are cheap, and then you know, you could change them out whenever you feel like it. You know, if they wear out, put new ones on. They don't cost that much. So, you know, unlike the leather ones I had on my old bike, you know, and you know, to replace those, you know. But anyway, easy video this week. Like I said, relatively low cost way to, you know, be more comfortable on your bike, you know. Reduces vibration, more comfortable for your hands, and it does. Heated grips do go through this. You will feel it, okay? If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the grip puppies? Big paws or the regulars? Do you use them? If not, what do you use? Or do you just use the stock grips? Anyway, leave it in the comments. And if you're interested in more videos, check out the one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Peace.